Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to share the recipe of tandoori chicken. I cooked this tandoori chicken in a casserole and not an oven. Along with this, I have prepared pita bread, hummus, toum, french fries and muzaffar sweet. I have shared all these recipes in our channel and leave the link in the description below. Without further ado, let's prepare the tandoori chicken. To get juicy tandoori chicken, soak it in enough water and place it in the refrigerator for overnight. I have added 1 tablespoon of salt. Make deep gashes on the chicken while soaking it. This process is called chicken brine. This is 1.5 kg full chicken. After soaking the chicken for overnight, drain it on a wire rack. We should drain the water completely from the chicken. So I'm flipping it and placing it on the other side. There shouldn't be any traces of water, so I'm just removing it with the paper towel. Make deep gashes on all the sides of the chicken like this. For the first marinade, add in 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, salt as needed, and juice of half a lime. Mix in all the ingredients nicely like this. Now marinate the chicken for half an hour. Meanwhile, we can prepare the second marinade. For hung curd, I have taken half a cup of thick curd in a filter. Drain the excess water by leaving it for 30 minutes. Add the hung curd into a mixing bowl. Add in 2 tablespoons of Kashmiri chili powder, 1 tablespoon of coriander powder, 1 teaspoon of garam masala powder, half a teaspoon of fennel powder, 1 teaspoon of jeera powder, 1 teaspoon of chicken masala powder, little salt for the masala. We have already added salt to the chicken, so add in accordingly. 1 tablespoon of kasuri methi. Crush it like this and add to it. 1 tablespoon of sunflower oil and 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder. Mix nicely so that everything combines well. Second marinade should be a little thick, that's why we added hung curd. This should be the texture of the second marinade. Now apply the second marinade onto the chicken. The marinade should be applied on all the sides of the chicken. I didn't apply the marinade inside the chicken because we are going to shallow fry it and not deep fry. The whole chicken is dressed well with the marinade. Cover it and marinate it for 2 hours. The chicken is kept in the refrigerator for 2 hours. Next, I'm going to prepare hummus out of this chickpeas. I have shared the detailed recipe in my previous video and I'll share the link in the description below. Also, I don't want to keep this video lengthy and hence sharing it in a separate video. This is toum, which is famous Lebanese garlic dip. This tastes best for tandoori chicken and I'll leave the recipe link in the description below. Next, I'm preparing the pita bread or kubus. I have prepared pita bread using wheat flour as well as maida. Look at it friends, it puffs up like balloon. I'll leave this recipe link in the description below. I have taken this chicken out of the refrigerator, which is marinated for 2 hours. I'm going to shallow fry the chicken in this casserole. Add in enough sunflower oil to shallow fry the chicken. Place in the chicken pieces and it's time to fry it. We have to fry the chicken pieces from all the sides very carefully. Meanwhile, you can also bake this chicken at 200 degrees Celsius for 1 hour. Cover it with the lid so that the chicken cooks well in the steam. I'm frying the chicken in medium flame. Open the lid, flip it and cook it on all the sides. It will take nearly 40 minutes to cook the chicken. The specialty of this tandoori chicken is that we don't need any oven as well as we are cooking it in less oil. The tandoori chicken is perfectly cooked and it's ready to be served now. Tandoori chicken will be served as a complete meal when served with pita bread, toum and hummus. Do try this recipe and share me the feedback. I served tandoori chicken with some french fries, onion, carrot and lemon. Subscribe my channel for more interesting recipes like this. This is muzaffar sweet and I have already shared this recipe in our channel. I'll see you next video. Until then, bye bye and take care.